Shem, if you ask me, I feel pity for Glenda. She's fighting the fight that she will never win, and she's fighting a very losing battle because she's fighting things that are unseen. Kulu has things to hide, and unfortunately, Glenda happens to be in the firing line. Manje, he's dragging this thing. You would see, if you still want to fight, or just tell me, so then this and there's nobody who's bangaring him. He's just on his journey of people uncovering that he is not who he says he is. Now he's getting overwhelmed with everything that is happening because Eskolweni, they decided that they were going to post on social media ukuthi yena uzoba part of the choir, and you know what that means. It means ukuthi all the enemies or all the people that are looking for him will now find him because why? He is on social media, and that is making him very uncomfortable. Well, Evelyn, fortunately today I got the name. Evelyn told him ukuthi, yeah, if you want to go to the funeral, the unveiling, then it means that Sizohamba Friday, you go and do the choir, and then Saturday, then we move to the unveiling. So because I'm a good person, I'm a nice person, I will give you my car, and then we will go somewhere together. And that actually defeats the whole purpose because there is no unveiling that is happening on the date. He is just trying to find an excuse for him not to be there. So now they are unable to even go to that rumored unveiling. Yo, he has a good ningi, and it keeps getting kuningia for him. And this short friend of his just keeps walking in, and the other colleague is not happy with Yena is dating. Dating who? Yo, he has a guy's kuningi. Kuningi and uyiwani Mr. Kulu, and at some point the secret is about to be chichimbiri chitsini now prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Samsan Bunan Dimadekwana Minjani Hipukile Hingongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina maskim sami kumakuros last time sekange kahle, looking at the fact that Glenda decided to bring lunch at school for her men. And then Mama Kwaito and Mita are atle so that they can just iron out this thing and the tension between them. Oh, wafika ke Mr. X ati lalela, you are enjoying sitting with your ex's mother. So you must follow me in the room. Wafika la payala. Wamthetisa. She was like, you know what? No, it's fine, man. Forget it. Forget you. Wahamba ke. And then Mr. Kulu then decided to go to his belongings as a check, and which prior to that, she woke up and she was just looking at him. And when he woke up, he was so extremely angry to say, "Why are you looking at me? You're scaring me. Da, da, da. Why were you searching my things? Da, da, da." And then he blamed it on what? With social media, and he does not even have social media. He's trying to protect himself, and he does not want to be on social media. If he wants to go to social media, it should be on his own accord instead of the school to post him without him saying yes to that. Well, then she said, "You know what? I'm actually going to bring lunch to your school." Now, when he sees her in the afternoon, aribona kokuboni ko skolong ke go bona happily mo kanti kwenzakalani la. Yo, akasakwatanga umntase akakwatanga. On the other hand, Pretty is getting herself ready for court, but it looks like she's a bit nervous. And Guvele Gube mixed up because her client happens to be Lehas's ex, that they have a history together. Now, yes, and then now the thing is, how does now the client explain to the lawyer that actually your husband to be Sigesa Etloville song, yo, Guningi, guys, yo. And then I'm very pretty because she's going to be tatazeling there in the courts. There by the court, she's going to be tatazeling because it looks like she's prepared, but she's very nervous. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up. I love you to bits.